Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Nilgushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So we will discuss regarding introduction to Pessaries. Pessary, a small soluble block that is inserted into the vagina to treat infections or as a contraceptives. An elastic or rigid device that is inserted into the vagina to support the uterus. Therapeutic pessaries are used to support the uterus, vagina, bladder or rectum. Pessaries are a treatment option for pelvic organ prolapse. A pessary is the most commonly used to treat the prolapse of the uterus. It is also used to treat the stress urinary incontinence, retroverted uterus, cystocele and rectocele. In next session we will discuss about the actual experiment. Experiment number 75. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the pessaries of cocoa butter containing insoluble medicaments 5 gram. In this we are going to study the method of preparation of pessaries containing insoluble medicament like boric acid. Learning objectives are to formulate and prepare the pessaries containing insoluble medicament and ability to prepare, pack and label the pessaries carefully. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, spatula, china dish, mold, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 5 upon 1, that is equal to 5. So we have this is a prescription which is denoted by the symbol Rx. This prescription is given in the Latin terminologies. Let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is category, user, role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. We have the quantity given in imperial system, as here the prescription is given in the Latin terminology. Quantity given in metric system for preparing 1 gram and quantity taken in metric system for preparing 5 gram. As we are preparing the 5 gram because we have the suppository mold of 4 which deliver us the 4 suppositories each of 1 gram. So we are taking 5 gram, 1 gram is excess for overfilling the mold. Boric acid used as a preservative. Quantity given in imperial is grain X. 1 grain is 60 milligrams, so 60 into X stands for Roman 10, so 60 into 10, that is quantity given in metric system for preparing 1 gram is 600 milligram, that is equal to 0.6 gram. Quantity taken in metric system for preparing 5 gram is 3000 milligram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor, and 3000 milligram is equal to 3 gram. Cocoa butter used as a suppository base. Quantity given in imperial system should be the quantity sufficient. Quantity given in metric system for preparing 1 gram should be the quantity sufficient to prepare up to 1 gram. And quantity taken in metric system for preparing 5 gram, it should be the quantity sufficient to prepare up to 5 gram. Direction: 1 to be instilled at every night and to be used as directed by physician. So we have, this is a boric acid which is a previously weighed, and this is a cocoa butter which is taken onto this butter paper, and this is a glycerin which is used for lubricating this suppository mold for forming our pessaries. Anyone also can use the soft soap or 95% alcohol for lubricating this mold instead of this glycerin, and we are using glycerin in this particular formulation for lubricating our suppository mold. So first of all, now I am transferring this cocoa butter into this evaporating dish. Then we will proceed for melting of it on water. We will proceed for melting of this cocoa butter onto this water bath. As our base will start melting, so let's see, our base is going to melt. So now, after melting of this cocoa butter, I am going to transfer this previously weighed boric acid into it, and then again proceed for stirring. So after forming this clear mixture, homogeneous mixture of this boric acid and cocoa butter, now I am going to fill that previously lubricated mold. Now, Now I am going to pour this formed mixture into this previously lubricated mold. So I am going to fill all these 4 cavities of this mold and overfill this mold. So after filling this mold, now we are putting, let's see, I overfilled this mold and then we are, so let's see, I overfilled this mold. Now I am going to put this overfilled suppository mold into this freezer and then we will freeze it for next few hours till the suppositories will get formed. See, after few hours our suppositories are get formed and freeze properly. So now I am going to wrap each suppository into this butter paper separately and then we will store it into this wide mouth container. Labeling of formulation, we have packed each pessary into separate butter paper and then store it into this container. So pessary, 4 pessary for ABC, that is the name of patient, register number XYZ, which is the number given in the register, dispensed by PQR, that is the name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020, store in cool and dark place. These pessaries are always stored in this refrigerator. These are used for rectal use or anyone also can use this for the vaginal use only. To be used as directed by physician. Manufactured by Element Pharmacy Nashik. Result: the 4 pessary are stored into this wide mouth bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as